What's up, 8th grade? Mr. Pastel here, and today I'm going to guide you through Lesson 1.5, Finding Similarities with the Mystery Fossil. So back at the beginning of this evolution unit, we watched a video about a mystery fossil, and we're trying to figure out if it is a whale, if it's descended from a whale, a crocodile, or a wolf. So let's start with the warm-up. Okay, we have one new piece of evidence. So the mystery fossil skeleton contains a fetal skeleton. Let's skim this letter here. So we finished putting the bones of the mystery fossil back together. We found something amazing. The mystery fossil was pregnant when it died. A smaller fossil with structures just like the mystery fossil was found inside the body of the mystery fossil. So definitely an embryo or a fetus. That should help us a little bit determine if it came from a whale, a wolf, or a crocodile. So what do you know about how whales, wolves, and crocodiles carry their babies? Do whales carry their babies inside their body? You may not know. Do wolves carry their babies inside their body? Yes, they do, because they're like dogs. So they give live birth, puppies. Do crocodiles carry their babies and then have live birth? Crocodiles obviously lay eggs because they're reptiles. The babies, after they hatch, can hang out with the mother for a bit, but they don't give live birth. They use eggs. So do whales have eggs, or do whales give live birth to babies? That's right. Whales give live birth to babies because whales are mammals. So you can actually eliminate crocodile as an option. Let's go to 2. We're still evaluating these 3 claims. Does the mystery fossil belong with the whales in the whale exhibit? Does the mystery fossil belong with the wolves in the carnivora exhibit? Or does the mystery fossil belong with the crocodiles, the reptilia exhibit? We can eliminate claim 3 now. So you don't need to really do anything with this page, just something to think about. Okay, this is our mystery fossil. So what structures does this mystery fossil have? Does the mystery fossil have a skull? Yes, with some sharp teeth. Does the mystery fossil have teeth? Yes. They look menacing. Does the mystery fossil have neck bones? Yes. Does the mystery fossil have a one-to-many front limb structure? So same thing with your arm. One bone here, 2 bones here, many bones here. Humerus, radius ulna, distal bones. Rib bones. Yes, it has a rib cage protecting its heart. Backbone. Yes. Hip bone. Yes. Back legs. Yes. Tail. Yes. So everything. Okay. That was the mystery fossil. How about the whale? So we can actually see the whale has a skull, and it also seems to have some sharp teeth. Dolphins have sharp teeth like this, and they're related to whales. Neck bone. Not as big a neck, but yes. One-to-many front limb structure. One-to-many, yes. Although they're not fingers. Rib bones, yes. Backbone, definitely. Hip bone. We have to figure out what this is. I believe that's a hip bone, but it doesn't have legs. But it does have a tail. I believe that yellow is hip bone. Wolf. Skull, teeth, neck bones, one too many, rib bones, backbone, hip bone in yellow, leg bone, leg limbs, tail bones. So actually, these are very, very similar because these are all mammals. The only difference is whales have a hip bone, but their legs are gone. Lastly, we have a modeling tool called shared structures. Okay. So determine the relationships between the three species and predict the structures of species A. So these are descendant species, B and C. And species A is the common ancestor. So whatever B and C have in common, the common ancestor should have. Let's look at the instructions. So basically, with the structures in the common ancestor, you can use a blue structure if you think that it definitely has a structure. You can eliminate a structure by clicking X if it definitely does not have the structure, or you can do a gray question mark if you are not sure. Okay. So we know that this is a common ancestor because it's in the past and it splits off into the two descendants. Now, what do B and C have in common? Yes, they both have skulls with a nasal cavity of some kind. They definitely have that, so I'm going to make it blue. They both have a backbone. They both have a tail, but the tail is different length. But I'm still going to say that they both have a tail. Maybe there was a mutation for a shorter tail in species C, and species B kept the long tail. They both have hind legs, although one is a lot shorter than the other. So maybe species B doesn't need powerful legs anymore for some reason. One has arms, one does not. So don't know exactly what happened there, so I'm going to put a question mark. Oh, a question mark for the arms. So the arms are really the only thing in question, and then some of the other things change size. So I can hand that in. It should appear here. And how do you know which structures are present in species A? Well, they're common ancestor structures. So if you look at B and C, whatever they had in common, basically, had to be in the common ancestor. All right, you don't have to do part 5, so I will see you tomorrow.